The Islam 다 쳐줘 any genji pomul henjali shualia and tringa da sangalia the chups jore kubde kyanji tunin de jo nyama nga 사실레리 nga jagal이야 zanjul journey and the chulu 상황으로 뭐냐라 장바도 자와 아니 초시 즉 세배냠리 주로 상면 송되기도 와 anyone who understand only English anyone no 연애 안 써봐 반중국에 나서 맵다 you all understand the local language okay local language okay then okay now any 자갈이야 지 로동라 하남배 숨지링이야 지 출루 튼지디 유에되지 다 드리께서 자갑하고의 유디 따리 대별로 자작하시는 것 자갑하고의 유디 전불링기 출루 쏘셔 상원염도를 대대별로 못 차도 자서가 자가 다 전불링기 출루 쏘셔 상원로 유대별 lumbu지 차바 인도전에 자가 랑제 차바 그도 저름디 secular basis survey India's constitution is based on secularism 자 디데 인도전에 어다 침루 드르지 원에 대대별 룸버디나라 다 자가랑자 라네 안도보도 다 자가 미 동주 그제다 동주 주상 예대별 룸버디나라 원에 지다 시디 신 튠지 야오샤도 망조 because of that secular concept this country the population say about billion now 1.2 billions so this country is compare neighboring states this huge populated country actually I think most populated democratic country so this country very stable very peaceful you see small sort of incidents here that's okay understandable about billion population there must be some mischievous people always there. That's understandable. So that in Anzene, Lada Sogu, and Sansaga TV, Lada Sogu Didi, that Lot Jata Mangurinla, Zawa Sanje Chuching again, Nangbe Yudu Shadiore, and Dina Loli chance of Kaji Chuching and the Kansam Judiore, Kanda Didi, Chanzo. 지용부차네 튠지야 타주소래 다 들이켜서 카시랑 나올라 among sort of people who follow same Islam but because of the name of Shia and Sunni now in Iraq lot of killing in Syria lot of killing and then also you see between Muslim and Christian again in Nigeria, in this area, see, because of different faith, it causing fighting, killing. It is really unthinkable. I am Buddhist. When I heard Burmese Buddhists harming Islam or Muslim in Burma, one Buddhist leader even described some sort of media describe Buddhist terrorist. Unthinkable. And then Sri Lanka also, some Buddhists, you see, harming as the Muslim. So this we should take as a teacher. Now we must pay more attention about genuine harmony. Genuine harmony on the basis of mutual respect, that's very essential. So, I also heard, so it is really very unfortunate. So when I first reached here, this time, reached here, the chairman of Hill Council in Kargil, came to receive me So they also, you see, give me one sort of petition. So I promise I will tell the Buddhist community. So last 3 days, and particularly today, I mentioned, of course, not go detail these things, but basically, I mentioned, as a Buddhist, we must respect all religious tradition. Now, today in the Sunday, I love you. That the Lord in the Quran that watching is the terror. At the other end, the mountain labore, and chance of what they was it. Huh? Kandachi, Chulu Mendawa, Nyamsu Lengi, Demendawa, you do that pension Nicha log Chone. The Bende Chashana Sanje Chavas Muni in a G, and the Muslim church also Yanchi saw a temple continue with the Shengua. Yang chance Muslim the Tony in a Sanje church also Ganji saw a temple continue with the Shengua. Gange to Yon Sigri, Gange Yombe Kadulia, chance short soldier much of a check. Any watching is two. And that the nigger is Chungsha, that the Gange does in town pass of Gazi Session, and the Gange said to Chokore. Gazi said much of a church, short soldier and Yawamare. So then, no matter what religious faith, basically we are same human being. 다른 소수 네 아자자 소수 다우디디 미지고 차되게 그러나 자 공전 차샤나 아주 철새기 도안에 다 배벌 강에 되게 차되 강에 쟁에 차되게 강에 쟁에 차되게 레딩을 아주 삼는 날 미지고 이 사람 되게 자 디네 인도산에 최선의 전문의 대강의 미통주 뒤주스 제도지 상물로 미 찍고 차되게 나 전문의 사실 담면을 되게 딱 봐도 있어야 돼. 맞아? 출로 면자와 개가 면자와 룩수 면자와 써야 돼. 르마니 버리스. 르마 당고데 가서 미치 버다 생각이 있어야 돼. 맞아 상물로. I think we if you emphasis sameness of humanity then no ground killing each other. Different faith, different nationality or different faith. It's individual choice, individual business. Nationality, still part of the world. So these are not important. Now, for example, global issue, global warming, or global economy, never consider national boundary. Isn't it? You understand? So, now time come. We human beings should act as a same humanity. So we need sense of oneness of humanity. It is very, very important. So finally, I would like to express my deep appreciation. You welcome me, not only just it's a formal welcome, but express your deep feeling. So I very much appreciate.